how to turn off safe mode on Android. This tutorial shows you how to exit safe mode and get your device back to normal. First, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. After that, tap on Restart to reboot your device. Once your device restarts, check if safe mode is still active. If the safe mode label is gone at the bottom of your screen, then you're all set. From here, if safe mode is still on after restarting, press and hold the power button again until the power menu appears. At this point, press and hold the power off option on the screen until a pop-up appears asking if you want to reboot into safe mode. Tap on OK to turn it off. Following this, your device will restart, and safe mode should now be disabled. From here, if safe mode keeps coming back on its own, it may be caused by a stuck button. Check if any of your volume or power buttons are stuck or being pressed down unintentionally. At this stage, open your Android settings and scroll down and tap on Apps. From there, look for any recently installed apps that may be causing the issue. Tap on the app and tap Uninstall to remove it. Once done, press and hold the power button and tap Restart one more time to reboot your device cleanly. Finally, once your device is back on, check the bottom of your screen. If the safe mode label is gone, your device is back to normal and running as it should. And that's it. If this guide helped you turn off safe mode on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.